News is coming in. National Conference patron Farooq Abdullah has responded to the row over him answering a phone call while the national anthem was being played. He said it was an important call from abroad. He added that though he was standing while the anthem was playing, he said that he apologizes if he's hurt anyone's sentiments. He said, and I quote, "I have also been attacked, but no one sees this. The incident happened during Mamata Banerjee's swearing-in ceremony in Kolkata."
अरे यार देखो, मुझे विलायत से फ़ोन आया, बिल्कुल सही बात है। मेरे रिश्तेदार बहुत बीमार हैं, क्या पता क्या होगा। उन्हें टेलीफोन किया, मैंने टेलीफोन यहाँ रखा मगर खड़ा तो था, राष्ट्रगान में खड़ा तो था। अगर वो समझते हैं कि मैंने भूल की, मैं इसकी माफ़ी मांगता हूँ। मेरा कोई ये नहीं था कि मैं राष्ट्र के हित में कोई ऐसी गलत चीज़ करूँ जिससे कि राष्ट्र की इज्जत को कमी आएगी।
Let's get a word from Manjeet Sehgal, who's with us on the phone line. Manjeet, National Conference patron Farooq Abdullah now apologizing if he's hurt anyone's sentiments, saying that he didn't mean to be disrespectful.
Yes, Ramesh, Farooq Abdullah has shrugged off the controversy and tried to clear the air by saying that the telephone was very urgent, and though he was standing, he was respecting the national anthem, but the telephone was very urgent as some of his relatives in the United Kingdom was seriously ill. But he has also apologized that somehow his behavior or his act violated any code. So he was all sorry for that. His apology comes after BJP had dubbed the incident as unfortunate and had asked Abdullah to tender an apology.
Manjeet, thanks so much for those details. We're going to keep coming back to you for more on this story.